This is your boy Richie Rich Mo back at it again with another video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like and subscribe. We are growing every single day. And if you're new to the channel, click that subscribe for real. And click that thumbs up. All my OG subscribers, click the thumbs up. We are growing every single day. We are building the world's greatest RSX, man. So basically, I want to build a Time Attack RSX, the most insane build possibly on YouTube. That's a lot to say, but I know what I can do, and I'm about to do it. So we're going to make it the fastest car. At the same time, we're going to make it look extremely good. So we want to have a show car / race car. And this is definitely the car that I want to make a sleeper, but definitely destroy other cars on the road. And we're going to do that. But I did get the wing. The wing is looking good. Now on this video, I think I want to do a little remix. I don't know if I want to show you the wing right now, or I might show you the wing afterwards. The wing I got is the Type R wing. So with that being said, the RSX got the Type R wing. So I want to keep it like OEM, but there is I definitely want to get like a better wing. I know I said before I'm gonna have either downforce solutions to make a wing, or I might get the Vortex wing. I love how Vortex has the wing. So now what we're gonna do is gonna unlock the doors. I'm gonna pop the trunk. So this is something that you guys need to know if you do have an RSX. The good thing about these cars is I love what they did. So I'm gonna show you exactly what they done. They made it very easy. So if you have this particular OEM standard wing, it's easy for you to install it. And let me show you. So if you look under the wing, they basically did pre-drills right here and right here. Literally all you have to do is drill through there. There's two right there, and you come on the other side, there's one there and one there. All you gotta do is just hit those up, and they actually line up exactly to the RSX wing that comes with it. So yeah, it looks damn good. So anyways, what I'm about to do is I'm about to shoot these, go through there, and then we should be good. So let's get this going. But that's something I just want to let you guys know that it's super dope that ACURA done that, so you don't have to be trying to drill so many holes on your car and have a lot of holes. You'll actually know exactly where to go just to line it up accurately. And yeah, so the wing is literally right there. It's all fresh and painted, and we're gonna add this wing onto the RSX. It's time to get it to look good. So basically I painted it. Like I said, it took about it's real fast, but I gave it about 3 hours after I done the paint. I did 2 cans of the white, and then I did 1 can of the clear coat. And the clear coat I used was actually good because it's good for heat resistance and help for protecting cracks. So anyways, let me get set up because it's just me by myself, but I definitely want to do this real quick, get this situated, and then go from there. And let's just see how the baby looks once we get everything set up, and I can take a shower and get a little more dressed up, and then we can go to a better location with it on. But let's just get this done right now because time is essence. First thing first, you need a drill, power drill. So I got my drill, but now I got to get the extension cord to go all the way down there. So bear with me, y'all. It's just me by myself. Damn, that wing looks good. My paint come out good. Let's see how it looks when it's on the car. So right here, I'm gonna start with a smaller one and just get it up in here. You can see it's basically just lined up right here. So I got that one. We got one more. Okay, so we got 2 right there. And there's 2 more over here. Let's see. And yep. So now let me finish the hose, make sure that they match the effect. I'm gonna actually, these are the hardware that I need for so how many holes are there? Let's see. Shit. Let's see. How many holes? So there's 1, 2. So there's 2. So there's 2 holes. Let's see. Why did they give me? So there's 4. There's 4 there. So yeah, so anyways, let me get this done and I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so finally made to a new location, not at the house. I want to show you guys the RSX. The RSX looks super sick, looks super better. This car is actually getting better every single time as I keep putting a modification to it. So the next thing first, hopefully we get, and immediately we got okay, let's put it like this. I got a situation and I think it's gonna be a dope situation. So don't know what to do. But anyway, all right, you guys, so I pulled up to a dealership that's close by the house but far away from the house, and I want to come somewhere with better lighting, just by myself, and hopefully I don't get interrupted by the people that's driving on the street. But anyways, the RSX, it looks amazing. I'm about to show you guys how it looks. I'm gonna give you guys a B-roll, and I'm just gonna give you guys my full opinion. I love this RSX. I'm glad I did do what I did. I got the wing. The wing came in a gloss black, and then I painted it. You know what I'm saying? And I was just hoping the paint was accurate, because I really didn't. I just was just going through some paint, and I was trying to match it up to the body of the car. You can't really tell 100%. I even spray painted on some cardboard, but the brown on the cardboard kind of gave it a different distinct look. So I was just praying. I was like, you know what, hell with it. If it don't look right, then hell with it, I'm good. But it actually came out perfect. So I'm gonna show you guys the RSX that I have right behind me. You guys ready? Let's go. All right, guys, so the RSX came out excellent. The paint actually matches the car 100%. I was shocked that I got the right white paint. So this is my RSX. It looks so amazing. With the wing definitely changed the dynamic of my car. The car looks amazing. I'm in love with my RSX. Now, this has always been a dream car of mine, and I always tell you guys about the Integras, the RSXs and stuff like that. They always been my favorite car, right? I'm gonna actually show you guys why this car always been my favorite car. And this is something I definitely want to prove to you guys and show you guys why this beautiful RSX always been a part of my game. This right here is basically showing you guys that I am really legitly an Integra person. Like, I really love the Integras. And if you guys don't know, for those that don't really know, an RSX is basically Integra. It's a new version of the older Integra. And after this Integra, now you guys see the new ones that's coming out, the Type S Integras and the A-Specs. So, but yeah, this is it. You know, I've always truly been an RSX fan. I love Integras. I love all the Integras. Eventually, one day, I'm thinking about even getting the Integra before this, the one that I used to have, but a nicer one, cleaner one, and just add it to my collection once I get my house and stuff like that. But I just want to show you guys this look. It looked real good. It looks damn good. I'm happy that I did what I did, and I'm happy I got this particular wing. This wing is going to be temporarily. It's not going to be a permanent wing for this build, because this is definitely going to be my time attack build. But I needed something on the car to make it look better, feel better. And this is my daily driver. You know what I'm saying? So I'm a daily drive the car, but I needed a car that feels modified. So by now we have 3 modifications, well, 4 modifications. We got new headlights, we got the wing now, we have lowering springs, and we have the intake that's installed to the car. So I'm excited for that. It looks good. And yeah, so now the exhaust is going to be coming. Once we get the exhaust, I'm really debating on getting headers immediately, so stay tuned for that. Like I said, make sure you guys support me, man. I need everybody's support. If you're watching this video, if you got to this point in my video, make sure you guys support it, man. This car is amazing, my builds are amazing, and all I just want to do is just be be myself, because that's all I do. I be myself at all times. I never try to be nobody else. I never want to be nobody else. I just be myself. I'm authentic. My content ain't like everybody else's that you watch. You know what I'm saying? I'm just being me. You know, I love what I love. I love cars that make me happy. This car, I brought my ugly duckling to one of my best looking cars, and we're going to get so fast. Like, the goal with this RSX, I'm definitely planning on reaching 800 horsepower. So that is the goal, 800. And if I can go more than that, we're going to go more. But I'm definitely going to keep the K20 motor. I'm not going to motor swap into the K24, but I'm definitely going to go big single turbo, and we're going to go big crazy with this build. Okay, so like I said, we got the wing coming, we got a hood coming. The wing and the hood, the carbon fiber hood, is definitely on back order. But be patient, it's gonna come. Just continue to subscribe to the channel. You know what I'm saying? Continue to rock the channel, because there is something else super special that I'm going to be doing this Saturday. So this Saturday is definitely going to change the look to this car. So if you guys been following me since my old Integra, the orange Integra, the blue Integra, you know what I'm saying, with the orange wrap, you guys will understand what I'm about to do to this RSX. Y'all ain't ready. So once I do this, then with the aero kit, it's just going to change this car to a whole different definition. But I love my car, even with its imperfections of some of the clear coat issues, and I mainly have more of the issues on this side of the driver's side, but on the passenger side, the car is beautiful. It's beautiful. It's clean. You know what I'm saying? And I want to give you guys another look of the intake inside the car. So let me flip the camera around. You guys gonna see the intake, because the intake is definitely nice. This intake is definitely good. And once I get once I get the carbon fiber hood with the vents, it's gonna sound so much better, because all the airflows are definitely gonna come. And if anybody asks me or trying to figure out what I prefer, do I prefer a short ram or do I prefer a cold air intake long one? I prefer a small one. I definitely prefer the engine technology short ram, man. I love the short ram because, like I said, it's closer to the driver and you actually get to hear it. Like I said, we're gonna get rid of a lot of stuff. We're gonna revamp this whole engine bay. Like, everything's gonna be clean. We're gonna clean everything. I'm gonna replace a lot of rust stuff. Just bear with me, y'all. We got a lot to do. This car is not done. We got so much more to do with this car. But I definitely wanted to give you guys a nice little look of the RSX, man. I definitely love it. And it just looks like a whole new car with the wing. Without the wing, it just don't look right. It doesn't look right at all. But with the wing, it definitely looks good, and it's up to my liking. And like I said again, the paint was accurate, and I'm just shocked that I got it to match extremely good. This paint is perfect. The car's a little dirty, but you know what I'm saying, I gotta wipe it down, but it definitely came out good. I'm excited for it. I'm happy, and I love it. So right there, I'm gonna end up touching that little area up, spray some white on it so the yellow won't show. But you know, some TLC, definitely going to get some new wheels. The wheels, like I said, is coming to bronze wheels. And also we got to definitely get rid of the rotors and brakes. We got to get a whole new set. So once the wheels are actually on its way, like closer, because I got to wait damn near a couple of months because it's on back order, then I get a whole new set of brakes and rotors. So, but yeah, man, I just want to show you guys this car, man, and just enjoy this car with me, man. Like I said, just continue to rock me. I need everybody's support, man. Like, just really support your kid, man. Just watch the videos. Don't skip them ads. Let the ads play. If you just want to really support me, just let the ads play. Don't even pay attention to it. You know what I'm saying? But this is the car, man. I'm so happy that my baby is back. I gotta get her a nice bath, but she don't look too bad on camera, but she is dirty. When I got cars driving behind me, they like, who the hell is this dude? But anyways, if they don't know, they know now. Honda gang, you dig? But anyways, I definitely do appreciate all y'all support. I just want to show you guys my car and my build, man. I'm just nowhere near done. I got so much more to do with this car and the other cars and the cars that come in the future. Stay tuned for it. I love you guys. Thank you guys for all the support. Stay true to yourself. Don't follow nobody else. Be yourself. Almost dropped the camera, but anyways, caught the camera. I'll see you guys on the next one. We out. Peace.